Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Julie from Team Julie against ovarian cancer. I will be changing the name. Let me note down in the comments if I should change the name. There's going to be a couple of people that are voting on names and stuff, but today I'm doing an unboxing. I'm so excited. Magic at your door. I'm so excited. Apparently this is a character. I don't know what the character's name is. Please don't kill me, people. I've never opened this particular box. I've opened a Walt Life and I've opened a Mickey Monthly. So I've actually got to put those on my channel. I think one is. I think they both are. I'm just not sure. Oh, gotta open this. So I'm super excited. I've never got it. So I know people, I've seen this unboxing many times on other people's channels, and very jealous, so I'm super super excited to open this. There we go. All right. Oh no, oh my gosh. Oh, Julie's in heaven! Heaven. I am. Alright, guys, ready? I'm gonna turn you towards it. And you might see Ellie, too. Oh my gosh, like, it is so packed full, guys. Oh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh! That is too cute! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. I love it. If you can dream it, you can do it. And always let your conscience be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door. Aww. Aww. Jaden. Jaden is the CMO, Chief Magic Officer. You're gonna see Ellie Belly. Alright, so for what I know is these are the codes, so I got ears. I am like so super excited. So I guess when you look up the code color, this is what each one costs. This box cost me $99. So it says, we hope, excuse me. Pardon me. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. We hope that you love these magical Disney surprises that we're selecting specifically for you. Be sure to explore every nook and cranny of your magic box. Yes, that's one thing I learned from Miss Allie Cakes. Because I watched her channel a couple of times and she got a book bag or a purse, I think a book bag, and the curator's like, hey, did you check every nook and cranny? She's like, yeah, I did. And she's like, well, you should have gotten this. She's like, I didn't. And then she checked the book bag again and she's like, oh my gosh. So, oh, they have a Mother's Day magic. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this on Mother's Day for Mother's Day. Yep. Oh, it's only valid through tomorrow. I just got my box today. I wonder if I email them and be like, yo, shipment was late by about 2 days. Literally, it was supposed to be here Monday. It was supposed to be here Monday. Yeah. So I don't know what happened. But anyway, check every nook and cranny of the magic box, including inside of each item, as you never know where more Disney magic may happen. For the best possible experience, join Magic at Your Door Facebook group and request specific items for your magic box. See what others are receiving and get access to special promos, win prizes, and socialize with fellow Disney lovers in a friendly and entertaining environment. I am super excited. So this alone is adorable. I love this. And thank you, Chief Magic Officer, I'm assuming it's Jaden, for your signature. I love it. Thank you very much. All right. Alright guys, here we go. I don't have quite a good YouTube setup yet, but I am in love. So I'm assuming it says ear headbands are $27.99, so $28. So that's, you guys are just gonna have to come right over here because you're gonna fall. Here, I'm on my bed, so sorry. So these, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Oh my gosh. 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 I love them. Oh. And I love this confetti. I know everybody hates it, but I love it. Oh, I got a bow. I got a Beauty and the Beast bow. Oh my gosh. Wait, yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. These are $14. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, and they're signed by Belle. Not like signed. Oh, oh, it changes. Oh, ah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 it's magic. Oh. Okay, I gotta make sure that there's nothing in there. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. This is $20. We got about $55 worth of stuff right here. Just these 3 items. But this is a this is a Baymax blanket. Oh my gosh. This is a Baymax blanket. Oh my gosh, look at it's a Baymax blanket. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, my daughter's gonna steal this on me. No. Okay, I gotta show you guys. Since I'm standing here, because she's gonna steal it on me, but that's Baymax. Oh, this is $25 normally. So 25. So 25 and 28, that would be 53. 53, 63, $67 so far. And then we got the goodie bag thing. I'll open that after. Okay. Alright, so I'm assuming this is the only thing left, and it's white. No, I don't know what this is. It's Digital Disney Mystery Collection. I don't know what this is. It's a pin! Okay, I'm happy now. So I get my first official, no, my second official pin. I'm just making sure there's nothing else in here. I know they said check every nook and cranny. Okay. And everybody likes to open these last, so I'm going to open that last. But sometimes I don't want to open the pins because you never know the collector's items. But it's in this. Oh, I get 2. I get 2 official pins. Let's see who I got. Alright, let me see who they are. Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald, Goofy, Chip and Dale I really don't care about, but Pluto. Pluto, I want Pluto. And I don't know which one is which for Chip and Dale. So I got this one. That's pretty cool. I'll put that right back in the box though. I've never really been a fan of Chip and Dale. Even though we danced with them at Disney in 2000. Oh, I got Goofy in 2013, sorry. We got Goofy. Goofy! That is so cool. Wait a minute. There we go. That is cool. Digital Goofy. That is so cool. Awesome. Let me see. So I'm assuming that the character on the box is Dude. So I don't know how much these pins are worth, or how much this pin box is worth. But it's at the Disney parks. Oh, it has a white label, so I'm assuming it's maybe like $14.99. I don't know. So I'm gonna put that back in there. I'm just gonna put that back in there. And put these back in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna save this little gray thing. These gray things are great for doing giveaways with. The one thing I have been wanting since I've heard of Alex and Ani is an Alex and Ani. Oh my god, I got a Dory! Just keep swimming. Guys, you have no idea how much this means to me. When you look at my YouTube channel picture, it's a picture, I believe it's a picture with a blue Dory. It's all blue. So it has Dory and it just says, "Keep on fighting." I know that's my Facebook picture. Yeah. Don't know if it'll show it on here. Just keep fighting, just keep fighting, 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 fighting. Because of my cancer, and it's teal. I normally wouldn't cry over a Alex and Ani bracelet. But this is amazing. This is really amazing. Holy crud. That is awesome. Thank you so much to the curator for that. Oh, wait. Do I get a Dude pin? Oh, I do. I get a Dude. Alright, so I get a Dude lanyard. I'm assuming that's who that guy is, the character on there. So I get a Dude lanyard. And I get a Dude Magic at Your Door pin. Oh, and he's a cupcake! Oh, he's a cupcake! That is so cool! That is awesome! Oh, I wish they would have been able to do Disney ears on it like the other mouse ears. But these are so cool. Oh, I love it. That's not getting traded. Ever. Because it's so cool. But yeah, that's it, guys. Everything came up to just over $100. Because this is $44, so $45. And then when you figure tax, because, you know, they gotta pay tax on them. So, that's it for my unboxing. I want to say thank you to everyone. Oh wait, this was $20. So it came up to just about $100. I read the Canadian price for $25. But that is awesome. My next door neighbor wanted to see what this was. So I am going to bring this over to show her. So I'm going to go, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.